Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to USDT has increased by 2.53% to 63,070.0 from yesterday, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 0.75% to 2,954.98 from yesterday's price of 2,932.91. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has decreased by -0.47% to 592.7 from yesterday's price of 595.5.
Latest news.
Biden orders Chinese-owned crypto mining firm to sell land near Wyoming Airbase. President Biden has issued an order prohibiting a Chinese investor-controlled cryptocurrency mining company from owning land near an airbase in Wyoming, citing national security risks. The order also demands the sale of the land. Mine One Partners Limited, majority owned by Chinese investors, acquired the land in June 2022 and made adjustments to accommodate cryptocurrency mining operations. The U.S. Treasury Department announced on Monday that the company's acquisition of the land raised concerns about national security risks, including concerns about surveillance. The U.S. Foreign Investment Committee reviewed the transaction and identified national security risks. Swiss bank UBS and Montreal bank hold Bitcoin spot ETFs. UBS reveals it holds Bitcoin spot ETF EBIT, following Twitter revelation by Watcher Guru. Montreal Bank in Canada also holds Bitcoin spot ETFs, including Grayscale GBTC, BlackRock EBIT, and Fidelity FBTC. Growing interest and investment in Bitcoin and related financial products by major global banks. Whale uses $20 million USDC to purchase 313.24 WBTC. Whale uses $20 million USDC to purchase 313.24 WBTC at $63,848, highlighting growing role of stablecoins in cryptocurrency market. A whale using $20 million USDC purchased 313.24 WBTC at $63,848 on May 14. The whale, who had previously profited $20.8 million from investments in ETH and Link, borrowed $20 million USDC by depositing 15,001 ETH into Aave as collateral. The whale then used this $20 million USDC to buy 313.24 WBTC at the price of $63,848. The whale's last transaction was on May 3 when they bought 209.5 million OP at a price of $2.85 using 2,000 ETH. The whale's actions demonstrate a significant investment in WBTC, indicating a possible shift in their investment strategy. The use of USDC for such a large purchase also highlights the growing role of stablecoins in the cryptocurrency market. No net inflow outflow for GBTC, ARKB, BTCO, BITBC's $20.3 million inflow. Bitwise BITB saw a significant net inflow of $20.3 million on May 14, indicating growing interest among investors. The U.S. Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29. However, Grayscale's GBTC, ARK21 shares ARKB, and Invesco Galaxy's BTCO all experienced no net inflow or outflow. It's important to note that these figures only represent a snapshot of a single day's activity and may not necessarily indicate a long-term trend. Investors should keep an eye on these figures over a longer period to get a more accurate picture of the market dynamics. Flow announces upcoming Crescendo network upgrade. Flow network upgrade to enhance efficiency and performance. Flow, a leading provider of blockchain technology solutions, has announced that it is soon to launch a series of upgrades to its network. The Crescendo network upgrade, which is set to bring EVM equivalence and cadence 1.0 to Flow, is expected to enhance the functionality and performance of the platform, providing users with a more efficient and reliable platform. The first phase of the upgrade, which will begin on May 22, will primarily focus on testing transaction inspection logic. The second phase will take place from May 29 to May 31, during which further improvements to the application will be made. The third phase, scheduled from June 5th to June 8th, will be the final check before major actions are taken. The fourth phase will occur from June 12th to June 17th, ensuring everything is proceeding as expected. Finally, on June 19th, the Crescendo network upgrade will be deployed on the testnet. Flow's mission is to provide innovative solutions that drive the future of blockchain technology. The Crescendo upgrade is part of this mission and is expected to have a significant impact on the industry as a whole. With its advanced features, Flow is poised to become the leading provider of blockchain solutions in the future. For more information on the Crescendo network upgrade, please visit the Flow website or insert contact information. 井号 Flow Network Upgrade 井号 EVM Equivalence 井号 Cadence 1.0井号 Blockchain Technology 井号 Blockchain Solutions 井号 Flow. Crypto whale recovers 1,700,000 in stolen bitcoins after negotiating with hacker. A cryptocurrency investor successfully reclaimed $71 million in stolen WBTC following a dusting attack. The investor, who lost the funds through an address poisoning attack, contacted the hacker and began discussions on May 5th. The hacker returned the stolen assets in installments, despite the 10% reward offer. The value of the returned assets is currently around $66.8 million due to the recent decline in the value of Ether compared to BTC. Details of the recovery process are not available. Note: this press release is based on a single report and does not provide a comprehensive analysis of the situation. Rune's protocol activity experiences downturn after initial hype. The Rune's protocol, which debuted during the recent Bitcoin halving, has seen a significant decrease in activity. Initial surge in transactions, followed by a decline, particularly on May 10th. Data from a Dune Analytics dashboard shows that the protocol's fee revenue has been steadily decreasing since its launch. Created by Ordinals creator Casey Rodarmer, Rune's related transactions dominated the Bitcoin network until April 24th, with an 81.3% transaction share. However, the initial excitement has waned, and activity levels have not returned to their initial highs. Despite the slowdown, Runes has achieved notable success, with several Rune collections boasting market capitalizations in the hundreds of millions of dollars. Casey Rodarmer, who also created Bitcoin Ordinals, recently teased an audio-reactive generative art project at an Ordinals event in Hong Kong. Crypto mining companies navigate revenue challenges amid market fluctuations. Bitcoin miners face increased selling pressure, but offset losses with transaction fees. Bloomberg reports that crypto mining companies, including Bitcoin miners, have been facing increased selling pressure. However, these companies have been able to offset their losses by earning more from transaction fees, which serve as an additional revenue stream apart from the mining subsidy. The introduction of several memecoins on Bitcoin following the halving led to a surge in fees, but they have since subsided. A report by Keiko 警告称，如果 miners 在下个月出售任何部分他们的股票，这可能会对市场产生负面影响。此外， trading activity usually slows down and liquidity decreases during the summer months. Despite selling most of their reserves during the 2022 crypto meltdown, Bitcoin miners have been holding more over the past 2 years, thanks to a strong rebound in the digital asset market. Two of the largest public Bitcoin mining companies, Marathon and Riot, hold 17,631 Bitcoin worth over $1.1 billion and 8,872 Bitcoin worth over $500 million, respectively, as per Keiko's report. Bitcoin's value increased by about 2% to approximately $62,730 on Monday, marking a 15% decrease from its all-time high of nearly $74,000 achieved in March. Marathon's shares remain relatively stable at around $17.05, reflecting a 27% decrease this year. Riot stock, priced at $9.46, has also seen a decline of about 40% since the beginning of 2024. Ripple's XRP holds steady at 50 cents amid market uptick. Analysts predict bull run. Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency maintains position at 50 cents despite general market upswing. Crypto Potato reports that Ripple's XRP is maintaining its position at 50 cents, despite a general market upswing. Analysts are predicting a potential bull run, with the 49 cents resistance level being a key factor. Future projections suggest that XRP's price movement could be influenced by Bitcoin's performance. If market conditions are favorable, predictions indicate a significant rise. Cryptocurrency market saw a resurgence on May 13th, with many digital assets entering green territory. Bitcoin briefly surpassed the 63,000 美元 level, while Ethereum approached the 1,000,000 mark. However, Ripple's XRP lagged behind the leaders, showing little to no volatility and maintaining its 50 cents level. Many analysts believe the asset is due for a rapid price revival. For instance, analyst Egret Crypto praised XRP's recent consolidation and suggested a bull run is imminent, predicting the token could skyrocket to $6.40 in the coming months if it continues trading above the 49 cents resistance level. Another analyst, Credible Crypto, argued that XRP's potential price rise in the future could be partially dependent on Bitcoin. They suggested that a Bitcoin spike towards 6,7000 could be a factor fueling a rally for Ripple's native token. Other analysts, such as David Watt and Crypto Tony, also foresee an XRP rally in the near future. Watt predicted the asset's price could climb to 56 cents in the next few days, while Crypto Tony was even more bullish, predicting a bull run once XRP reclaims the major support zone of 67 cents. Many industry participants believe the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the US SEC is the main obstacle preventing an XRP rally. However, the specifics of the case and its potential impact on the token's value remain to be seen. Bitcoin, BTC, drops below 63,000 USDT with a narrow 2.74% increase in 24 hours. Bitcoin falls below 63,000 USDT as trading volume decreases. On May 13, 2024, 17:05 p.m. UTC, Bitcoin is trading at 62,988.179688 USDT, with a narrow 2.74% increase in 24 hours. Trading volume has decreased compared to recent days, leading to a drop in the overall market value of Bitcoin. This decline is expected to continue as the market continues to be cautious ahead of the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, which is scheduled for May 20, 2024. We recommend 保持谨慎并继续观察市场动态. For further information, please contact our technical support team. PEPE experiences short-term surge, rising over 10% in 24 hours. Foresight News reports that the cryptocurrency PEPE has experienced a short-term surge, breaking the 0.00001 USDT mark. The increase represents a rise of over 10% in the last 24 hours, with the current rate standing at 0.000000985 USDT. The historical peak price for PEPE was recorded at 0.0001084 USDT on March 14, 2024. Fantom Foundation announces upcoming upgrade to enhance network scalability. The Fantom Foundation has announced a new upgrade aimed at enhancing the scalability of the Opera network. Validators are currently beginning the upgrade process, with potential storage savings of over 90% for validation nodes. The upcoming upgrade is supported by Sonic technology and will introduce a new version of Opera. The Foundation's goal is to improve and expand its network capabilities. NIM Network to launch AI Ownership Tokenization Framework. NIM Network launches AI Ownership Tokenization Framework based on Dimensions AI.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all a wealthy and profitable journey in the world of cryptocurrencies. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always find the right opportunities to make your money work for you. Cheers!